guys. Today we're playing Breaking Story 1. Let's go.
Oh, it's a truck.
Yeah.
I have a medic.
I'm excited
Oh,
right
this
now.
is for the adults and that is for the kids.
I'm excited. Bro, there are some kids. Never mind. There's an adult in the kids seat. Okay. Bye. Yay, we're right here now. Can you look tiny?
We are not in the back.
Ayun. There yan. Nasa bahay na tayo ni Kuya. Kain tayo apple. Para big. Tira. Kinuha ako. Yan. Oh.
Mama!
There we go. We're finding something. Yeah, like that. Bro. Oh, brother. You're...
Ouch.
And we're gonna explore like the
You forgot to check the upstairs.
oh siya nga. Oh!
There's nothing upstairs.
Wala man to si Maiden ay. Wait lang. Sorry guys for the baby so naughty. We're gonna get our room.
That's your
Right there.
room.
Yeah, this is my room now.
And that was
Oh, there's our stuff. There you go. And let's get foods from my drawer.
you can't open them.
Yeah.
Let's go downstairs.
Oh. Okay, let's get in the first. Oh, sorry guys, there's a baby in front of me. It's so annoying like hell, bruh. Oh, where are you going there? Hey, our co-stop is something now.
Look, it's your house. Come here, it's your house. Come, look at your house.
What the bro? Oh man, no, get out of here. Get out of here.
Ow.
Today guys, we're eating like crazy in the there's a pizza guy coming. Hey, our co-stop is not gonna eat. Hey, come here, bro.
Wait, where?
Let's go. And let's sit. Not there. Come here. Let's sit here.
For the adult.
We're gonna eat some pizza. Hintay natin guys.
We need some help.
Ito na guys, pizza.
Oh, it's a big piece.
Uy, ang laki naman ito. Uy, akin na yung pagkain mo. Taba mo na. Okay, come on na. Let's go. And tulog ba tayo? Di ba?
Oh, there's a
Uy,
dog.
burn out. Ay, tara daw. Come on. Ay, gana. Uy, di ka makikita niyan sa dilim. Ang dilim mo.
Dito makikita.
Di mo makikita sa dilim. Yeah, di makikita. Paano ko makikita, bro?
Oh, you know,
At inupuan ang ating ka-staff. Inupuan. Dito. Check natin. Ipit na. Tayo manonood na ng TV.
Why? Hindi ako makakanood.
Seven. Ay, ni-skip pa. Saan ba ka nag-skip niyan? Papaluin ko. Tulog na. Tulog na. Let's go. Okay, sleeping time. Ay, may kidnapper! Patayin! Patayin di ako tinutulungan. Wala kang pag-asa. Yan, bali. O yan.
Ba't nandito si Pedro?
Ay, nangyari. Ha, pinalo ako sa puwet.
Ba't nandito si Pedro?
Wala, mabasag na lang.
Ba't nandito si Conrad? Di ba parang pang babae lang dito? Ba't dito sa buksan mo?
May mga kahoy. No, kala ko tatlo tayo. Ay, ito wala si Bulinggit ay. Today, nasarado natin yung mga bintana.
Saan tayo nalagay? Saan tayo nalagay?
Pati ba naman yung CR?
Malamang, mamaya maglabas yun.
Skibidi toilet. Brrrr, skibidi dump dump lang. Corn. Get more. Ito, harangan to. Di yan pwede makapasok.
May iba pang bintana.
Saan? Uy!
Sa baba!
Ba't kalahati lang yan?
Sa baba!
Siya nga.
Ayos kayo.
Wala na akong energy.
Lalakad sa baba. Ito.
Gutom na ako.
Yan.
Hey, it's me. Charity.
Yan, nandun sa
Ito.
Dito.
Saan tayo napunta? Kuha tayo ng pagkain natin. Tayo ay gutom na. Ay, may apple at cookie.
Saan ako naman?
Ah, lolo. Kain ko na. Pati yung pintuan,
May pera.
nalimutan yung... Uy! Ito guys, may pagkain na.
Yeah.
Ma-spin the wheel. Uy!
May pizza ako.
Ba't napunta kay Tim? Hindi yan. Ay, parang na.
Ganyan.
Yung mga kidnapper. Hala, takbo. Tago tayo CR. Tago! Tago CR. Hala. Kidnap lang tayo yan. Ay, go to bed. Ay, ano? Woo! Ako na mag-isa. Yeah, kaya ko to. 2 versus 1. 2 versus 1, kaya ko to. Yeah, you can do this. Yeah, there you go. Die. Phew. Lakas ko talaga. Narangan na nga si Rapa. Git. Nakaligtas pa tayo. Ako lang mag-isa maglaban doon eh. Hindi ako tinulungan eh. Ala, bukas to. Lagot tayo yan. Patay tayo, bro.
Ano tayo, bro?
Tay. Takbo, tago.
Saan yan? Ay,
Lurk has discovered the broken window. The basement door has been opened. Oh, I think a bagay is still down there. Tago. Dito sa cabinet. Tago sa cabinet. Bro, where are you? Here. Bro, quick. Before it's in here. Hide, quick. Yeah, there we go. There. Uy, Conrad! Nandiyan ka, ba't makapasin yan? Hindi mo yan kaya. Paldo. Sana lang. kaming dalawa na lang ni Sofia. Wala na. Di. Wala na sila. Oh, tayong gagawa. Low energy na rin ako.
Ha?
Low energy na ako. Heal me, heal me, heal me. Heal me, heal me. Heal me. Heal me more. Tama na, tama na. Let's go. Let's go to the basement. Wala ako dyan. Oh, you can have a weapon. Come here. Get the bat. Oh, man. Guys, parang dito na lang. Bye-bye.